Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ARDINI ANISAH binti ABDUL RAZAK, and I am from class JIM1104A, and I'm studying in Information Management.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is HUMAIRA binti RAHIM.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is MARDHIYATUL HAINAH binti HUZIR.
Hi, my name is MARGARET dan anak PENGIRAN.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, my name is SITI SOLEHAH binti ZAINI. I will talk about overview for our video. There's some topics that we will explain and we will talk about, and the explanation will be explained by my friends later. Okay, the first one is four common problems related in our website. The first problem is operating system problems. The second one is computer infection. The third one is hardware problems, and the last one is troubleshooting problems. Okay, for these problems, there's a lot of solution that we can use. For the first one is removing the memory by remove the RAM module. It's for hardware problems. It will settle down the hardware problems. Okay, the second one is if computer continually restarts without display the desktop, you need to press F8 button on computer or laptop. And the last one is Trojan infection. If you want to avoid this, you need to be careful when download any software from pirate website or something like that. You just need to download software with official website or go to shop to install them. The third one is uniqueness of our website. The first uniqueness that we have is button chat. Button chat is a thing that we can use for Q&A session with our user, and they can ask us so many things, and we will reply to it as soon as possible. Okay, the second uniqueness is button more. The third one is games. The fourth one is an attractive background. This will attract users to read more in using our website. And the last one is we can view this website using phones. Okay, for the commercial potential, the target audience for this website is specifically for students that studies on information management courses. They can use it on lecture class. They can use it on lecture class. Okay, for the price, it's free of charge web, and they just need to click on website and open them, and they doesn't need to pay anything to enter the websites. The advantage of this website is they can easily access by others age of people such as teenagers, adults, and children that doesn't have any relationship with information management courses, and they will get a lot more information about our courses. The second advantage is easy to access by using smartphone or computer. We make it available for smartphone. Even use it on smartphone, you don't have any problems. If you have any question, we will answer it easily and reply it as soon as possible. The last one is the colorful website, so user didn't get bored easily. to read it. And the last commercial potential is durability. This durability this website have a long-term preservation and can be updated by editors that have access to it. For example, we will update it from time to time according to your preferences about the website. And the second durability is this website have a high security level, so we doesn't have to get to thank you from after this. My friends will talk a lot of will talk about details about this video and about the points that I talked before this.
I will share with you guys 5 common problems that are related to our website for your PC. Okay, so today I will share with you guys 5 problems that usually appear or usually happen to your PC and is related to our website. You can go in through to our website and read the website and share with you guys about the common problem that usually happen. Basic computer maintenance that we share with you guys on the website. First, system memory. Second, personal computer or called as PC. Troubleshooting. Fourth, computer infection. And the last one, the operating system. So for the first problem, we have the RAM problem, and I'll share with you guys what the symptom of RAM problem. First, when you first turn on your computer, it runs fine, but as you go to do your assignment or doing a job in the laptop, you notice that the performance become lesser. By the lunchtime, website takes a minute to load and the local programs run at a snail pace. This type of gradual deterioration of PC performance, especially with memory intensive program, may be because of the RAM problem. Second symptom, we have the, if you know or have experienced this, when you start your computer, it randomly restarts while you are in the middle of something, or it becomes freeze sporadically. It may also reboot and immediately upon opening the desktop. This could be also the sign of faulty RAM. So that are some of the symptoms that show that your RAM have a problem. Problem number 2 that I will share with you guys is related to the operating system. Operating system problems can be attributed to hardware, software, network, or some of combination of the three. A stop error is a hardware or software malfunction that causes the system to lock up. An example of this type of error is known as a blue screen of death, or we call as BSOD, and appear when the system is unable to recover from an error. I know that some of you guys have experienced this type of BSOD. The BSOD is usually caused by a device driver errors. So now for the operating system, I will share with you guys. First, we have the computer will display an invalid boot disk error after the host. The causes is media that doesn't have an operating system in a drive. Second, the boot order is not set correctly in the BIOS setting. Number 3, the hard drive is not defected or the jumper are not set correctly. Number 4, the hard drive does not have an operating system installed. And the last one, the MBR is corrupted. Second problem, a service failed to start when the computer booted. So the causes is first, the service is not enabled. Number 2, the service is set to manual. And the last one, the file service requires another service to be enabled. Number 3 problem that I will share with you guys is related to the hardware problem. and if in the website is related to the personal computer, or we call SP. So hardware problem is a common problem that occurs despite the protection. It's very important to identify and recognize such problem. The following of some that I will share with you guys is the commonly found hardware-related problem on your PC. First is blank computer. A blank computer is the most common computer problem. Most people who work with the computer might have dealt with such non-working blank monitor at least once. Second, we have the mouse problem. The mouse is used for a variety of purposes, such as playing games, opening the files, and moreover, it facilitates easy navigation, thus easy access to your data. The most common problems related to mouse include the failure to move, connection problem, freezing on the screen, or damage to the mouse. Now I will share with you guys problem number 4, which is troubleshooting problem. The 4 problem that usually occur on your PC is troubleshooting problem. So here is a list of troubleshooting problem. First, an application is running slowly. Number 2, an application is frozen. Sometimes an application may become stuck or frozen. When this happens, you won't be able to close the window or click any buttons within the application. So now we on our last problems that usually occur on your PC, and this one related to computer infection. On our website, we stated 3 types of computer infection, which is Trojan, virus, and worms. But today I will share with you guys about the Trojan. And there are some of categories of a Trojan, and I will share with you guys what is the categories. First category, we have the backdoor Trojan. After infecting the victim computer, it creates a backdoor that allows cyber criminals fully access to the user computer. This type of Trojan are commonly used to steal user internet browsing data, infect victim computer with additional malware, and perform other malicious tasks. Second, we have the downloader Trojans. After infecting a computer, it is used to download additional malware. For example, this type of Trojan can download and execute a ransom infection that encrypts user files and asks for a ransom in order to decrypt that. And then I will share with you guys the symptom of the Trojan infection. You should know that the Trojan infection are designed to be stealthy. Most commonly, there are no symptoms on an infected computer. So here is some of the symptoms that usually happen, and people usually experience this type of symptom. First, you will see an unfamiliar process in your task manager. Number 2, your computer will become more slower than usual. Number 3, your friends or colleagues receive email or messages from you, but you haven't sent them to them. So this is the last problem that I will share with you guys.
Today I will be talking about the solution or product in this topic. Before we started, it is common that your laptop or PC have a problem because it is the device that we use all the times, so it tends to get problem, be it hardware problem or software problem. And I know it is frustrating when that happens, but don't worry, because there is always a place that you can go to have them fixed, and consider buying a new one might also be an option if the problem occurs seems to cannot be fixed. If you experience a problem with your RAM or your memory, then removing the memory might fix the problem. All you have to do is to remove the RAM module by pressing the tiny levers on each end to release it, and you need to test each of your memory modules to find which ones are bad. And when you find the sticks that appears to be bad, you can order for a replacement. And it is possible that all of your memory modules are damaged, because if your computer experiences a serious power surge, it will damage the memory modules. And if all of the memory modules appear to be bad, then the problem is likely with your memory slots, and you need to try testing each memory module in each of the memory slots to find if one of the slots is faulty. To fix a faulty slot, you will need to replace your motherboard, and when replacing a module, you need to make sure that the indentation of the bottom is lined up correctly with the slot, and then you need to press until you hear the lever snap. But you need to take note that some levers do not make a snapping sound. The RAM that I would recommend is the Samsung DDR3 RAM, which have a 4GB capacity, and you can easily get it online at Shopee with a reasonable price. If your computer continually restarts without deploying the desktop, you need to press the F8 button on your computer or laptop, and it should open the advanced option menu, and you should choose the disable, and it will automatically restart on the system failure. Last but not least is the Trojan infection. If you want to avoid Trojan infection, you need to be careful when downloading any software, and you should only download from a trusted software by their developer website or official app store only. And you need to be careful when opening any attachment in your email inbox, because even the legitimate looking emails can be a part of cyber criminals, and you should not use services such as torrents, or you should never use the software cracks or game cheats, because it is a common places where cyber criminals distribute their malicious software, and it will harm your device. And that concludes the solution or product in this topic. And if you wish to have a further information about the common problem and solution of the PC, you can head to our website with the link, and it should be on the tutorial, and you can just click the video and watch it to get further information.
I will explain to you about our website, which is the uniqueness about our website. First, when you visit our site, you will see the welcome pop-up. This is the welcome pop-up. So user can just click show me more. This is the home page of our website, which is the topic of our website is technology support and maintenance. The top of our home page, we divided every page into different sections, which is home, about, topics, tutorial, and games. First that you will see is the basic computer maintenance, which is this is the tutorial about the common problems that people always have when they use the PC. So just click read more. As you can see, this is the 10 tips for basic computer maintenance and security, and also the 5 desktop PC issues and problems with those solutions. So if you have these problems, you just can watch these 2 videos so you can get the explanation about how you can solve your PC problems. So let's back to the home page. If you scroll down our homepage, you will see an overview about topics that we discover in our website. The topics that we discover on our website, such as system memory, personal computer, operating system, troubleshooting, computer infestations. The bottom of our homepage, we provided a video which is we explain about the computer processing. First, the uniqueness of our website is the chat button that we have here at the bottom below of home page, so user can just click there and message us anything that you want to ask or curious about our subject or our website, so we will explain to you. Next, move on to our next section. So this is we explain about who we are and our team. Here the section about topics that we discover on our website. So this is the 5 topics that we discover on our website. So when you click the button more, you will see the subtopic of our topic. So it will be more easier to user for understand better about our topics. The third uniqueness about our website, which is the games. The games that we provide is the crossword game, which people can check their understanding about our topics that we discover on our website. So people can either scan the barcode there or just click the link below. So here are the game that we made, which is the crossword game. How to play, you just read the question below, such as how many steps to approach troubleshooting problem. You just click the answer and type there, such as the answer is 4. Simple as the fourth uniqueness about our website, we use background that can attract users attention to enjoy viewing our website. The last uniqueness about our website, you also can view our website through your phone. So there's no problem if you don't have computer or PC to view or get information from our website. That's all from me. Thank you.
So today I would like to share and explain about commercial potential of our product to all the viewers that watch our video. Okay, so firstly I will explain about the target audience of our product, which is website. Okay, so for the target audience, it was very suitable for the student that learn about information management and for the student that learn and study about computer, such as at UiTM Gamat, we have a student that was in course computer science and science math. So for them, they can access to our website to get the information about the computers that they will get, so they can use it when they have a lecture class, and it was very beneficial for them. Okay, secondly is price. For the price, it is a free of charge website, which the user does not need to pay anything to enter the website. They just need to click the link and they will enter to our website. So from that, for the student, they can save their money to use for the others important things, such as pay the fee of the university or college. So it was very beneficial for the students out there. So next is advantages and durability. For the advantages of our product, it can easily accessed by others age of people, such as adult, child or teenagers, to find the information about the computer, because it was a beneficial website that have education things and information things that can they interrupt to their self to gain more knowledge. So it was easy to access by any people from any age to find our information. Secondly, it was easy to access by using a smartphone or computer. Right now, we do not use anymore computer much because we have a smartphone. So it was easily to access by using a smartphone because the smartphone is small. So the user does not need to access by using the computer because it was large and hard to bring anywhere. So we know about the audience things and what they want to get the website easily. So we make the website available and have ability to open by using a smartphone. If when you open with using a smartphone, the website will not have any problem because we have set it to the smartphone devices. So you don't need to worry about the problems. The last advantages that we can say is if you have any question to ask to us, we can easily answer the question if you chat us at the below of our website. It will have a boxes that statement is let's chat. So you can press the button and put your question and send it. So we can know what is your question and we will reply the question as soon as possible to make you know what is the answer to your question. And the last thing I will say for the advantages of our website, it is a very colorful website, so you will not get bored. So the user will not get bored for our website. And it have a lot of information that was very needed by a student. So for the information student and computer student that want to know more about information of computer, they can access to our website because we have a specific details about a troubleshoot, computer infestation, and other things that they want to know about the computers. Okay, so the last point of the commercial potential is the durability. So for the durability, our website have a long-term preservation, which means that our website can be updated by the editors such as me, my friends, and others friends that have an access to log into the website to update the information at the website. So from that, we can know that if the person want to exchange something, the editors need to enter their login ID and the password ID. So if they got it wrong, we cannot access to the website. Okay, so next is the website is high secure level, because for the person that want to scam our website, they will not pass it because we need a login ID and password ID. So if they get it wrong, they cannot enter like I said first. So it was very high secure level, so it have a long-term preservation. So the user can access to our website every day, every time, because it will not miss anything. We will update every day if they have any information that we want to update and share with all of you. And I also get some review from the family members, and they say that our website is very have a good information because we make a specific details for the computer infestation and the types of troubleshoots, and everything is very specific. So it was very beneficial for the student that want to know more about computers. So I think that all from me. Thank you for watching our video, and thank you for spending time to listen for my explanation. So thank you.
Last but not least, to conclude our video, the purpose of doing this website is so that the viewer can get information and gain knowledge, as well as understand more about the 5 topics that we chose. We hope that the knowledge shared with you guys will be used wisely, and if you have any feedback about our website, you can always contact us through the email in the website. And I think that's all from us. Thank you.